Hello there, I'm in the workshop at the minute. It's because it's been flipping hot, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Really hot. Well, a couple of years ago we had a Thetford fridge fan put in the back for the fridge, and I thought I'd test it, and it's broke. So what I've done is I've gone out and bought myself one of these. It's a Brunner, see there, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to fit one of these fridgy fans type things. As you can see, I've not really done any. I did have a look online and they are good. Don't want you to get in, do they? There we go. Right, I've even got your. £52.99 for this, which is a double fan, like that. Still not the right way around. They're nicely made, aren't they?
Look at it, you whiz it away.
Sorry.
And then you get all these bits with it.
Yeah. Not sure yet how I'm going to fix that, because I want to put that in the cupboard in the so this bit is in the van, not outside. So there we go, there's the bits for that. I'm guessing it's always nice that there is no instructions with it, unless there's some somewhere else. Obviously very easy to do.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like your instructions there, Susie.
Right.
Okay. Right, well, that's the stat. That bit there. This I'm going to have to sort of work out how I'm going to do it, because that cable has got to go. I think it'd be nice if this was in the van, don't you?
Yeah, you don't want it outside.
No. So we need to extend that, because that's going to be too short. So what we'll do is we'll go outside and show you what I'm going to do, and then we'll take the vent covers off, bring them in here, try and work out how I'm going to fit the vent covers, because it just gives you a bit of a. That's it, isn't it? Look.
Yeah, that's all there is.
So I don't know whether it goes on the cover or whether it goes. I don't know.
It hasn't even got a picture of one fitted, has
No,
it?
it hasn't. No, absolutely nothing. Right, what we're going to do is take the covers off the fridge vent here, and there's some little black pegs up underneath here. Look, you just push that to that side. That's that side. That comes off.
So the pegs are on
here. Look.
on there. Yes.
There. So they just slide that way. Look.
There you go.
Yep. All right. Put these inside. So stand on them. It's stupid. This is nothing like me. And say, as we had one in here, some of the wiring's been done, but looking at that, that's got to go in there somewhere. Try and work that out. The other ones I saw fitted to here.
Where did the one fit that we had?
Just on a bracket inside.
Right.
But it was only a single one.
Okay.
Alright. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you. I'm going to put, because we've got a, there's the fridge. This is a little cupboard. this comes out the back of the fridge. So I'm going to fit it here somewhere, so you can just go in and adjust whatever there. So I've got some wires to extend, and it comes up, and the cable's just there. Look, I don't know if you can see that. Cable's just there where my finger is. So I'm going to drill to the side of that, so we can get them in here somewhere. Should be able to do that. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort all my bits out, and we'll come back to you when I've done a bit more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. It's been a bit of a while, about 45 minutes, something like that.
Something like that.
Something like that. Right, I'll show you where I've got to. What I've got in here is a little on-off switch, which is all wired up and up there. Rattly steps coming up to here, and what I've got is that nice and solid in there. It's come through a little there, which I'm going to put a bit of silicone on that. All the wires are down there, which you can't see, but I've silver foil taped them back to the motorhome, so they don't get anywhere near the heat of the fridge. So let's have a little go then, Sue. Do you want to try that? You're very confident climbing up the ladder? I'll do it. Do you want to go and switch it on? Yep. There you go. Oh yes, very lovely. Oh yes, Mr. Hedges, they're superb. Nice and quiet. Can you hear them?
Just about. I think when the cupboard door's shut, when the door's shut down.
Oh, there you go. No,
I can't hear it.
brilliant. So there you go. That's how we do it. I screwed mine through the metal with the brackets up there. I don't know whether you can see. And they ain't going to come out of there. And they're nice and solid. So happy with those. Just going to put the covers on, and that's finished, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you know what, Susie. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Do all that malarkey, and we'll see you again soon. Say bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye.